Hi guys, so today we are going to make a tiny dog with a lead out of a balloon. If you have seen my other video, how to make a balloon giraffe, then you will like this video and you will find it very easy. So what you need to do first, make sure it's not on this side, see where it's aligned. Make sure it's this side where the knot is. Okay. First thing you need to do, you're gonna decide how big you want your nose on your little head bit. I would go for this size here. That's what I normally do. Okay. So you gotta twist it a bit, then you decide how big you want the ears. I normally go for this one. And then you twist, like I've just done here. Okay? And you get this bit, and back, then press, and twist. And make sure it's in the line. There you go. There is the head of your dog. Voila. Okay. Next, you decide how big you want your nose. Normally, you should go for like a little dot like that. Okay. And then decide how big you want your body. I would go for this side. Over your legs. Oh, yeah, just the legs. Okay, so like that. Make sure you're still holding that little bit there. Finger in the middle and twist. Just like how you move your hair. Then you would just move it. Move your little bits and bobs like done to make it into the shape of a dog. Voila. The neck, the head, the ears, and the legs have been done. Next, you decide how big you want the body. Okay, that's how big I want the body. Then, decide how big you want the legs. I would recommend going the same size as you did the legs before. Bend back, grab, finger in the middle, twist. Just do some arrangements, and voila, here's your lead, and here's your legs, body, nose and mouth, and ears. If you want, you can put some little eye stickers here and here. Okay. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!